What would happen if your data suddenly disappeared? Let's learn how to back it up properly before it's too late in AutoCount.
You can watch this video to understand it step by step.
Let us do the backup first. So in tutorial requirement, so we have to perform the backup performance in AutoCount before we log out. Backup very easy. You go to Tools, Backup. So over here actually already preset the company name, the header, and then the backup database version, okay, version and database backup date and time. So all the detail is being shown here. Usually we won't simply change it up, so we just update the backup location. So for backup location over here, it's called tree company lah. So if let's say you got 3 different company, you want to backup into 3 folders, then you can set this company under 1, second company under 2, third company under 3. So if you want to backup into multiple location, actually you just browse here and then you add another location. That's all. Very convenient. In AutoCount, you just like this. The system will help you to backup into 2 different locations. You just press the backup button. Instead of you to third location, you just add another third location. You can add unlimited, add how many locations you want. And delete function actually is a remove. If let's say just now you don't want 2 locations, you just want 1 location, then you just update 1 only. And update actually is edit lah, so you can edit different location over here. So edit, delete, and then OK is finalize. So that's all. And you see got check database area here. So before you backup every time, we will help you to checking up whether got problem or not on your database. So if got problem, then we will show notification. If not, then after you backup also cannot use the database. Backup very simple. After setting just press the button over here. The system will help you to do the backup. And then you see this message: backup complete successfully. But for tutorial, insist to change the backup file name. So to backup task 1.11, so we just follow it. In fact, for your company, I don't think you need to change the file names because the file name already exists all the information, the date, the time, the company name, database version, and so on. After change, we press this button again, and the system will help you to back up. Okay?
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount?
We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.